Welcome to another 1 Minute Wednesday, where we try our best to cover one of Desk Director's many features in about a minute. This week, we will talk about setting email templates for notification events. Open the Desk Director admin portal and navigate to the email section, then click on Notification Events. Here, you can choose the email delivery accounts and templates to use when specific ticket events are triggered. To begin, let's configure emails for the Managed Services ticket category. Click on Managed Services. To set up the email delivery account, click the three-dot menu and select Setup Account. From there, choose the desired email account and click Default, then click Select. In the Preset Events section, you can select the email templates for various ticket events. For example, let's configure a custom template for the Ticket Closed event. Click the three-dot menu next to this event and select Edit, then click Enable. Next, click the three-dot menu next to the email template and choose Use Custom Template. From the list, select the Ticket Close template and click Select. If you prefer, you can select specific events to be ignored and prevent them from triggering notifications. To do so, choose the option Closed, no email. Click Save to save your settings. That is how you set email templates for notification events. Thank you for joining today's 1 Minute Wednesday. See you next time.